G'day guys, Greg here. Well, here I am in Robina Village Shopping Centre, mate. It's an awesome little shopping centre in the heart of Robina. There's a butcher in here called the Cowshed. He has got some awesome looking products. So I'm going to go in and grab one, take it home and cook it up. But first, let me show you inside an Aussie butcher. Let's go. Alright, check out what I got from the Cowshed to try. I got some mushroom stuffed with cream cheese, and I got this thing here, the cracked Keto, spinach, cream cheese and walnut filled pork loin topped with crackle breadcrumb. Now the Cowshed does specialise in everything keto, so if you're into keto diets, mate, this is a place to go. Everything they sell has the times and everything on how to cook it, so the ones I chose are both 180 degrees but separate times. So how about we start cooking them up? Can't wait. So let's preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius. I might line my tray here, make things nice and clean. And I'll grab one of these crackle crumbed pork loins. Oh man, how good's that look? Oh, I'll put it in the middle, I think. Why not? Alright, so now the oven's heated up. Just whack this in. And that pork loin takes 30 minutes to cook, but the mushrooms take 20 minutes to cook at 180, so I'll set it for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'll come back and whack the mushrooms in. And that way, it'll all be ready at the same time. Ooh, yes, can't wait. I'll come back and put the mushrooms in when it's time to. Alright, well, the alarm's gone off. Ooh, so, let's add these mushies in. Oh. And they take 20 minutes to cook, so after 20 minutes they should both be ready. Giddy up! Alrighty, well the timer's gone off. Have a look at this. Alright, let's transfer this to the plate. Oh yes. Alright, well here's the finished product. Oh mate, I can't wait to give it a go. Gotta start off with one of these mushies, right? Oh man. Oh. It's got like jalapenos in it. Jalapenos and cream cheese stuffed in the mushroom. Wow. It's actually got quite a bit of kick to it. But man, that tastes so good. Oh, I can't wait to try this pork loin. Let me cut it for you. Alright, so remember, this is spinach, cream cheese and walnut filled with a crackle crumb. Well, all I got was meat on that. I think I need to go the full effect. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Cooked beautifully. Mate, I am so excited. Oh, what? You really get the crunch of those walnuts in there. The taste of that cream cheese is great and the spinach just really tops it off. And that crumb coating, mate, it just tastes so good. Dude, if you're looking for some tasty, meaty treats, mate, head down to the Cowshed at Robina Village. I tell you what, this is awesome. They sell so much stuff in there, all the meats you want, and the shop itself is so eclectic. I mean, just look at the inside of it. It really stands out above the rest. But before I go, I really want to try some of this beef jerky because, well, they did win first prize for the best beef jerky in, well, I think it was Queensland. He reckons they won by a country mile. So let's try the Cowshed beef jerky. It's like chewing gum for adults, isn't it? Now, if you do go down to the Cowshed, make sure you tell them Greg sent you. I'm pretty sure they'll have a clue. Anyway, that's all today. I'm going to sit here and finish this delicious keto meal off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat something. See you then. Oh yeah,